My name is Harald Schnidar. I'm the CEO and founder and also the inventor of Scarletred Vision, our technology. We are located in Vienna. We are artificial intelligence and medtech company, and we provide a solution for a worldwide problem which relates to subjective assessment of skin changes. In general, when you think about subjectivity, especially in these days, is a big challenge. Yeah? So we bring in objectivity, especially relating to skin assessment. So what we have as a technology and as a solution is a system called Scarletred Vision. Scarletred Vision is worldwide the first technology which can run fully mobile on smartphones, and it allows doctors and patients to create objective imaging data and by integration of new AI technology to quantify skin changes from start of a treatment until the very end. So thereby we solve the problem of subjective assessment and we create real-world evidence data which helps pharma companies, cosmetic companies, as well as aesthetics and cosmetics companies to assess drug effects and treatment effects, and thereby we bring the best possible treatment to the patient directly. As a sponsor of this event, we're very happy to support especially automation procedures and AI, introducing of AI in pharma industry. The opportunity here is that we can reach out to a very broad audience. The audience is not just from research, but there are a lot of people who work in manufacturing, in drug development, but of course also in the development of the drugs and in testing procedure of drugs. So we have a very diverse audience, and this makes this event also very unique. We are used to talk to doctors, we are used to talk to pharma companies, but this is much more diverse and much broader. That is a great opportunity for each and everyone to contribute to a digital shift, which at the end relates to artificial intelligence today, and this is the big game changer. As a speaker on this congress, I introduced to the audience our technology and how we solve problems and challenges in pharmaceutical and in skin drug development. We explain how the system works to document skin and how we quantify. In addition, also we introduced our new AI agent. Her name is Aurora. Aurora is revolutionary. She can automatically process data which is usually too big and too much for a human person to quantify and to interpret. So and thereby we bring in more efficiency, and Aurora can also see more than the human eye can see. So it's a revolutionary tool, and the audience was very excited, and we detected a lot of new opportunities and ways how we can integrate the system in different procedures. The biggest shift what I see is, besides digitalization and automation, the introducing of artificial intelligence. AI is changing everything. So it's a game changer for any type of procedure. We're starting on our side in pharmaceutical manufacturing procedures, in the assessment of skin diseases, but it goes far more beyond. So we introduce AI also home-based. So basically every patient and every subject, we all will be able to use and harvest the capabilities of AI. So it's not just introduction of AI in hospitals, but bringing it from clinics to the couch at home. So this is a revolutionary technology. In our case, it will introduce new possibilities at home, but this is true for any other discipline. So we are still at the start of introducing, and we are still understanding the capacities, and I believe that the maximum game changer will be on the way, and it will shift how we live and how we live in the future. When we develop new AI tools or new technologies, besides having a very innovative capacity, we always think about how the technologies can impact in the people's lives. So, of course, we want to improve procedures. Of course, we want to save time, we want to save costs, but at the end, it's not just about economics. We want to introduce also technologies which have a social impact. Social impact means on our side, technology is not able just to cover the most important problems and the most important skin diseases, but also it can provide problems in diseases which are rare. Rare means not many people are affected, and they are very spread, very distributed and very remote. Very often care is not on spot, and nurses and doctors are not available. In this case, artificial intelligence can cover a digital bridge and provide solutions no matter where people are. And this is the way how we think that our technology can be also having a high social impact. And that's also one of our main aims. The most important aspect from AUTOMA Plus is that it's super interdisciplinary. It is not an event like any other. So we see a lot of people from different disciplines. So it bridges different business areas, and we meet a lot of people who we never talked before. And by talking with such high diversity audience, you come up with new ideas. You see new applications and new opportunities. And I think that's the biggest advantage of AUTOMA, so that you can think outside of the box and meet people who you would never expect to meet. I think a personal manager is super important because you have a direct person who takes care about your aims. It's teamwork, and as always, when more people work together, and the better you're aligned, the better is the outcome. So in our case, our personal manager helped us to reach out to specific people, coordinate meetings, and also streamline the whole procedures what we have planned for this event. So it increased our success rate, and we were very happy with what we got.